Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Trend Maverick. My name is Angel, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already, please make sure to click the notification bell below so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Today, I wanted to get into how to look stylish and put together, even with a pair of jeans and sneakers. And just because they're sneakers and jeans, it does not mean that you cannot look put together. So I have articles of clothing that you can use and incorporate into your wardrobe in order to build stylish looks with jeans, sneakers, and flats. Okay, so first I would say it's a good idea to invest in like an army green jacket or a little cargo jacket, something similar to what I have on right now. And the reason why I like this jacket is because it's stylish. It's got a hint of detail with the faux leather sleeves. It's got a military feel, but it's still just enough that you can make it girly and dressy at the same. Here's another little cargo jacket. It's a little bit more lighter weight. The color is neutral. It's like a light olive green. It has zip pockets here, a flat pocket here. It's got little cargo pocket details here at the bottom. You can zip it up, leaving it open. Great for the winter, it's great for the summer, it's great for spring. It's something that's very easy, very clean, very stylish. It'll bring your outfit, your look together very well. It can easily go with sneakers, flats, and this is a very good item to include in your wardrobe because every time I bring it out and I put it with like my sneakers and my jeans, I get so many compliments on it. So I would say this is a definite go. Okay, so this red blazer, I love everything about it. I've even put it in 2 other videos before. The reason why I love this blazer is because first of all, it's red. To me, red automatically stands out and polished. It also has very bright gold buttons. It's double-breasted. So instantly, you know, I look put together. So I can easily throw a pair of jeans with this. I can easily throw a pair of Converse sneakers with these. And look just as great as if I had on dressy clothes or, you know, heels. I think this is a must to have in your wardrobe, especially if you want to make a statement in your outfit and you're not afraid of color. And can you tell I love the color red? Okay, so this is a cute little hoodie that I found from Target. I did a previous video about it in my Target haul video. I actually have a heather gray one that I showed in that video. I went back to Target and I actually found this one on sale for $7 to $8, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna have to get this red one too. The reason why I like this is because number one, it's a hoodie, so it's dressed down, but it's also chic and has an element of surprise, and it's very cute because of the sleeve puff detail. I guess I like the juxtaposition of it being a sweatshirt and something that you would normally think was dressed down and chill, but it's made to also be cute, and it's also made to be stylish because of the sleeve. I even put a Peacoat with this, and I looked so good. I got some pictures you can see here. So if you're ready to take your look to the next level and you're ready to look even more stylish, incorporate a different color like a red or an orange or a bright green. And it's okay to do that. I know some people may not want to, but I don't know, just maybe play and have fun with it. I love the Chambray Shirt. This is another clothing item that I always keep in my wardrobe, and I can dress it down and I can still look good and cute and stylish at the same time. I love wearing chambray shirts with dark blue navy jeans, and I even go a step further and wear it with jeans of the same light color palettes, like a light blue or stonewash, and I'm fine with it. You can wear dark denim with chambray, it's okay. You can do whatever you want. I think this is something that easily will make a good outfit with jeans and with sneakers. So I recently got this cute little sweatshirt from TJ Maxx. Again, I love that it's a sweatshirt and that it has like a flare, slight ruffle, whole bottom half, and it's short and cut off. This is so dainty, it's so feminine, but it's a sweatshirt at the same time. If you're out in the store and you happen to see something that typically looks like it's dressed down or something that would be considered like athleisure, athletic, or, you know, more just comfort wear, but it has a cute little element of surprise. You can throw a pair of jeans with it and sneakers, and you'll instantly take your outfit to the next level and looking put together, just because it has neat little elements and details to it that are feminine and are very trendy and stylish. So some jeans that I have, these are actually Hue jean leggings. Okay, so me and my thing with jean leggings, about 5 years ago, I would have never worn jean pull-on leggings. Jeggings, to me, it was like whack. It was something that I would never have wanted to do. And since I started wearing them, they have changed my life. Now, I don't even like to wear jeans that zip up and button up. I'd rather have a jean that pulls on over my hip and I can easily pull it on and pull it off. I love it because the waistband is very stretchy. It holds you in. It pulls you in. It makes me feel thinner. It makes me feel slimmer. It gives me that look that I'm thinner. You know, just because the waistband alone is thick enough and it has enough power and stretch to give you support at your waist and at your belly and at the problem areas, and it just hugs my body perfectly. So this is just an example of ones that I like. They've got rips and tears here, light fading. They've even got slight whiskering, and they've got paint splatters all over. It's like a medium wash. It's got back pockets, fake front pockets. This is something that'll go perfect with everything I've just showed you. So if you find like just a medium blue pair of jeggings, you can do jeans, ones that zip up and button, but if you do jeggings, those are just fine. And I also love the pull-on leggings jeggings at Old Navy. They're the Rockstar jeans, and I've also talked about them in previous videos as well, and I'll leave a link below. That's just a really nice jean legging that I would recommend for you to try to look for to wear with your outfits. Make sure you get a medium blue. Make sure you also get a dark blue denim, because your dark blues are going to go with the majority of your tops and sneakers, and medium blue is also going to go with the majority of your tops and your sneakers. So I think it's a great idea to have. It's also a good idea to have like a black bottom or a black jean that will coordinate well with a lot of looks. So I mainly stick with those 3 colors. I also wanted to show you this top. I brought this one because this is just an example of a top that I bought because I knew I could wear it with jeans and sneakers. This is something that'll be cute color blocking with a pair of sneakers that I got that are pink. When I saw this, I instantly saw it was a great idea to get this. So for sneakers, it's a good idea to get a pair that are have like a ribbon detail to it, or like some kind of interest in the fabric. So for example, this is a satin based sneaker, but it has velvet shoelaces and it's shiny and they're a neutral color. So these will coordinate very well with a lot of different colors, and especially your jeans and some of these tops you want to get into. So my Converse are my ultimate fave because they automatically make an outfit clean up very well. And they go with so many things. I mean, just these white shoes alone go with every single thing that I showed you earlier in this video. It even goes with this top I have on. And I just recently got my Pumas that I love dearly. They have 2 options of a regular wide shoelace or a ribbon for the shoelace. Aren't they so cute? I love them. They have so many different colors in this shoe style. So you don't have to get the pink ones. You can get like a white. And the reason why I like these is because they're girly, but they're still comfortable enough. They're still dressed down enough, but I won't look like a bum too much because of the color and the fun of the shoelaces with the ribbon and all that. And you can wear these in summer, winter, spring. You also need a cute flat booty. I got these because these coordinate so well also with jeans and very cute tops and jackets. So a peacoat is not only slated for dressy outfits. I've been doing this for a very long time. I love dressing up. I love mixing dressy with dress down. I love putting a sneaker with something that's meant to have, or that's meant to have a hue, or meant to be dressy. It's just something about it that just brings your outfit to the next level. And with this sweatshirt, I think it looks cool automatically. Don't be afraid to do that, you know. Don't be afraid to mix and match some of your dressy with your dress down. Don't be afraid to stick a sneaker with it, but you must make sure you do it tastefully and with an idea and thought in mind of where you're trying to go with the outfit. But if you just follow these pieces of items that I showed you today, you will look together instantly. Just trust me. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions about anything that I showed you today, please leave a comment below. Please also make any comments if you have certain items that you like to wear that are dressed down, that brings your outfit to the next level, what makes you look polished, or what do you feel most comfortable in but makes you feel stylish at the same time, please, you know, let me know below. I'll be glad to reach out to you and give you a comment right back. And like I said before, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please also make sure to ring the bell to get notifications if you like this video. Please do share. Thank you for coming. I'll see you later. Bye.